Welcome to our product showcase, featuring the Tooltos KT-90 Magnetic Tumbler Jewelry Polishing Machine, designed to provide powerful and efficient polishing for your jewelry and precision parts. This innovative machine offers powerful performance with a unique magnetic field distribution, achieving speeds up to 2,000 RPM for deburring, polishing, descaling, sanding, cleaning, and removing oxidized film. Switch. Working status indicator. Knob timer from 0 to 60 minutes. The machine stops automatically after the set time, saving you time and manpower. The premium polishing bucket, made of tough polycarbonate, ensures durability and leak-proof performance, making it ideal for heavy-duty use. 1. Connect the power supply. Be careful to check for voltage matching, and then turn on the power switch. 2. Firstly, put 200G polishing needles into the polishing barrel, then put the items to be polished into the polishing machine. Add the appropriate amount of polishing powder and polishing paste. More effective polishing. Improve the luster of the items. Add about 2/3 of the capacity of the polishing barrel of water. Cannot be filled up, otherwise it will overflow, and cover the lid of the barrel. 3. Set the timer knob. The machine runs to start polishing work. This magnetic tumbler jewelry polishing machine is perfect for grinding and polishing gold, silver, copper, aluminum, zinc, magnesium, iron, stainless steel, hard plastics, and non-metallic materials, making it suitable for a wide range of precision parts. 4. Timing end. Machine operation stops. Polishing complete. Experience the precision and efficiency of the Tooltos KT-90 Magnetic Tumbler Jewelry Polishing Machine. Order yours today and elevate your jewelry polishing to new heights.